Reproduction in flowering plants. Flowers are the reproductive structures in a plant. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. It has a filament and an anther. An anther carries the pollen grains, which has male reproductive cells. Carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower. It is composed of stigma, style, and ovary. The ovary carries an ovule which has a female egg cell. When pollination occurs, pollen grains fall on the stigma. Stigma secretes a sugary liquid that helps in the growth of the pollen grains. A pollen grain does not grow if it lands on the stigma of a flower of a different kind, as it doesn't recognize the sugary liquid. A small protrusion from the pollen grain called pollen tube then penetrates the stigma and starts growing as a tube inside the style. A pollen tube grows downwards into the style and enters the ovule present in the ovary. It then releases a male reproductive cell. The male reproductive cell then fuses with the egg cell, resulting in the formation of a zygote. This process is called fertilization. The zygote divides and redivides several times within the ovule, resulting in the formation of an embryo. An ovule carrying an embryo develops a hard layer around it and gradually gets converted into a seed. At the same time, the petals, sepals, stamen, stigma, and style fall off. The ovary swells up and develops into a fruit. In case of fruits with multiple seeds, multiple pollen grains are necessary to fertilize with each ovule. Here is a quick recap of the topic.